Philip, your intuitive analyst. Today we are analyzing the women's clothing review, and the first chart on the dashboard is the ratio of clothing by age group. So here from that chart we can denote that the adults have purchased more of our clothing. So our clothing are more into towards the adults compared to the youth. Also, the ratio of ratings by age group, the adults give us more ratings compared to the youth. And also the ratio of positive feedback by the age group, the adults give us more positive feedback compared to the youth. Proportion of our positive ratings by rating, so this is giving us the proportion of our positive rating from the total ratings we've gotten, and also the distribution of the positive feedback by the division's name, and that's the distribution of positive feedback by department name also. And the last one is the distribution of ratings and positive feedback by age group. Also, we have our summary of the report. The summary of the report just briefly talks about the insight from the dashboard, and also we have the total number of clothings, and that's our KPI, and also our slicers on the dashboard that we can use to interact with our dashboard. So that is it about the analysis, and this dashboard is built using Excel. Thank you for watching.